ó dínú gan because ká ní kò ṣe pé èèyàn tó dínú ni bó ṣe ń lọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn òun àti àbúrò ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ń gbé yẹ kó jẹ́ káàbúrò ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé èèyàn báyìí báyìí ló pè mí tó bá yẹ pé òtẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ń gbé ẹ lọ
Gentlemen of the press, you are welcome to Ogun State Police Command. I just video. I want to record it.
Oluwo Samuel Monday, Peter Oluwalose, Akinwumi, Peter Tose, Prophet Daniel, Sheriff.
Yes. Kí lórúkọ ẹ?
Moses Abidemi.
Tọmọdún mélòó? A sọ gbogbo àwọn tó gba pàtàkì àwọn èèyàn. Méjì tẹ́lẹ̀ gbà òun lélẹ̀ tó wà níbí báyìí. These two bags here.
Bàtà yìí dé bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbé fún ìtẹ́rí fún pààyàn ni kí lẹ ṣe?
Àwọn bá mi dá sínú ìkòkò ni a dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìjó.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Hajiyara Malifa TV. Ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.
Gentlemen of the press, you are welcome to Ogun State Police Command. You will recall that the command showcased its legion of achievements a fortnight ago, where arrested criminal elements were paraded. However, the command has recorded major breakthroughs thereafter that it is compelling to inform members of the public without waiting for the usual periodic press briefing. There is a recorded case of murder and ritual killing. The DPO of Onipan Divisional Headquarters received a report of a missing person on the 9th January 2024 at about 1000 hours. That one Sulaiman Adijat, female, aged 35 years, was invited out on a date by one Adebayo Olawale Assis, male, of Ajegunle Road, Atonota, Ogun State. Since then, the said Sulaiman Adijat female has not been seen, despite frantic efforts to locate her whereabouts, and her mobile phone has been switched off since the day she was reported missing. Consequently, a tactical team, specifically the anti-kidnapping unit of the command, was drafted to unravel the mystery behind her disappearance, and as such, the team embarked on a technical-based investigation which led to the arrest of the 7 suspects who participated actively in the adoption and eventual murder of the missing Sulaiman Adijat, female. They are 1. Moses Abidemi, male. Oluwo Samuel Monday, male. Prophet Peter Oluwalose, male. Akinwumi Ifatosin, male. Prophet Jamiu Yusuf, male. Sheriff Agbayi, male. Osodiene Alioneturi, male. Investigation revealed that on 19th November 2023, one Sheriff Agbayi, male, and Osodiene Alioneturi contacted Oluwo Samuel Monday, aka Oluwo Mandela, to perform money ritual known as Oshole that can produce 200 million naira within 7 days. And Oluwo Samuel Monday charged the duo of Sheriff Agbayi and Osodiane Alonituri the sum of 800,000 naira and agreed to prepare the materials for the money ritual. Oluwo Samuel Monday, in furtherance of his criminal intention, later contacted one Peter Oluwalolese, who was not new in the trade of human parts, to source for a lady between the age of 18 years to 20 years in order to deliver her mutilated body parts, specifically the head, 2 breasts, vagina, and her 2 wrists that will be used for the money ritual. Peter Oluwalolese male, who is an acclaimed prophet of a white garment church located in Ibadan, Oyo State, contacted another colleague of his, one Prophet Jamiu Yusuf, male, also known as Eri Mose in Lagos State, who is notorious in the supply of human parts for ritual purpose. Prophet Jamiu further contacted one Abidemi Moses, aka Ashila, who is a herbalist at Atonta, Ogun State. Abidemi Moses requested for the sum of 600,000 naira to get a lady that can be used for the money ritual. Oluwo Samuel Monday negotiated for the sum of 300,000 naira for the human body parts. Abidemi Moses is a herbalist and he serves as an apprentice to one Adebayo Olawale Asis, now at large, to harvest human parts for sale, a business he has enjoyed the proceeds for the past 3 years. Hence, on 9th January 2024, Adebayo Olawale Asis invited one Sulaiman Adijat female on a date to Sunshine Hotel, Atonta, and she was later taken to Abidemi Moses Shrine at Igbo Olomi area of Atonta, Ogun State. She was killed by Abidemi Moses and others now at large, and her dismembered body parts were taken to Abidemi Moses' house at Atonta to meet Oluwo Samuel Monday and Prophet Oluwalolese, who are waiting for the arrival of the body parts. Oluwo Samuel Monday collected the head, 2 breasts, vagina, and 2 wrists, and other body parts of the deceased. Oluwo Samuel Monday prepared the body parts in a local pot and lighted firewood to burn it in Abidemi Moses' house till the next day. Prophet Peter Oluwalolese male joined Oluwo Samuel Monday to kill the ram that was used to appease the spirit of the deceased during the process of performing money ritual. Prophet Peter Oluwalolese and Prophet Jamiu Yusuf were also given some body parts of the deceased. On 10th January 2024, Sheriff Agbayi and Osojiane Alione Ture collected the money ritual from Oluwo Monday Samuel and traveled back to their location in Edo State. Trouble started when Osojiane Alione Ture used the money ritual elements as directed by Oluwo Monday Samuel, and they both complained bitterly that the money ritual failed to read the expected sum of 200 million in 7 days, despite having used it for 3 weeks. A search was conducted in the shrine of Abidemi Moses on the 3rd February 2024, and 10 female handbags, 2 25-liter gallons containing human parts, 1 axe, 2 cement sacks containing human bones were recovered from his shrine at Igbo Olomi, Atonta. The relative of the deceased later came to the station and identified one of the 10 bags that were recovered as the handbag of their daughter, Sulaiman Adidat. Meanwhile, all the arrested suspects confessed to the alleged crime and their individual roles. Investigation is ongoing to arrest other fleeing suspects, and the case will be charged to court as soon as investigation is completed. Members of the public will be duly updated. Exhibits so far recovered include 1 axe, 10 female handbags, 3 local pots, 1 wooden box containing money ritual, 2 bako bags containing human bones and human parts, 2 gallons containing human parts, criminal charms, crown and staff of office of Oba Ishegun, Zone 1, Aton-Ota, Ogun State, crown and staff of office of Oluwo Mashote of Ifo Zone, Ogun State. Last but not the least is the arrest of suspected kidnapper. Suspect's name is Christopher Yaro, male, 52 years. In a more determined drive to press home the Inspector Generals of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun's principle of borderless approach to fighting crime, on 12/2/2024, the Commissioner of Police, Ogun State Command, received an intelligence report from the DPO Agbowoye Division that one Christopher Yaro, 52 years, who was involved in the kidnapping case of 2 Reverend Fathers in Pakshi Town, Plateau State, had escaped to Ogun State and is hibernating with a cousin at Agbowoye Town. He was subsequently arrested. He confessed to the commission of the crime and the reason why he escaped to Ogun State. Other details will not be released for now to prevent jeopardizing further investigation. Meanwhile, Plateau State Command has been contacted and it was confirmed that the suspect is on the police wanted list. Suspect will be handed over to Plateau State Command for further discreet investigation and prosecution. Conclusively, it is imperative to admonish the youth of this generation to embrace hard work and noble paths to success rather than toeing the path of perdition. It is a sham to believe that money can be gotten through ritual sacrifice. Embracing crime and acts of criminality are tantamount to mortgaging their future. On the same note, it is a risk for any criminal to imagine that he or she could find a safe haven in another state after committing a crime. The Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun's policing strategy is an all-encompassing one with no hiding place for criminals across the country. Thank you all for coming.
Any question?
Suspects are there for them to I just video. I want to record it.
Oluwo Samuel Monday. Peter Oluwaloshe. Akinwumi. Ikatose. Prophet Daniel. Sheriff Agbai. Osojehe. Christopher Yarrow. Christopher Yarrow.
What is your name?
My name is Sharif.
Please take that mic so I can hear what you say.
My name is Sharif.
When you change your hand, change it. No, change it. Bring it out of it. Yes.
My name is Sharif.
What is your name?
Sharif.
Sharif. Sharif what?
Sharif Agbai.
You're from which state?
From Edo State.
Make this away. Let us come to the
From Edo State, yes, ma.
What work are you doing?
Me?
What's your occupation?
I said God before, but as at now, I'm doing organic cream and all those stuff.
Okay.
Those
What
skin
brought
care
you to
products.
live around your state? Or where do you live?
I live in Edo State.
Lagos State.
Edo State.
Edo
State.
What
Yeah.
brought you to state?
They said the woman did the soap for my friend. They said one man did soap for my friend, and that the soap, there is a human part involved. I don't know.
Sorry, let me make me more clearer. You said a man did so for your friend.
Because he said he wanted to pray for our business to boost up.
Okay.
So along the line, he did the soap for my friend.
You mean the man, right?
Yes, the man. Oluo,
Is it the one that is yellow or the one that is black?
the one that is yellow.
That is yellow. Okay. How did you know Oluo?
I know him at Tiwon when I was selling gas.
When you were selling glass?
Gas.
Gas. Okay. So since when you know Oluo, right? So now, what did you tell him you want, and what did he do to you?
At first, when I posted when I know him, he have not done this thing for me. So when I view my status one day, he said, "How are you?" That he heard that my wife delivered. I said yes. He said okay. What am I doing now? I said I'm into this thing now, organic cream and organic soap and whatever. He said okay. That he have one work to do so that those business will be moving up. So I now said work. He said yes. Okay, that's it.
So now, how come did your friend now know Oluo, or did he know you? Or are you the one that introduced him to Oluo?
I'm the one that introduced him to him.
Okay, now when you now introduced him to Oluo, what was the thing you requested from Oluo?
He said he want to pray for us for our business to grow up.
Okay.
So along the line, like when we get to the place, he now said, look at the money he want to use to do the work.
So how much did he now charge you?
He charged my friend
How much
800,000.
did he charge you?
I'm not the one that done it.
The one that wants to do it?
Yeah,
So how much did he charge?
800,000.
How much did you now give him?
800,000.
800,000. So what are the specific things you said you want before you can charge 800,000 and yet you give him the money?
He said the items are many. When he said 800,000, we never agreed. We said, it's too big. So he now said, the items are many. There is cow there. There is a guinea fowl. He just mentioned some things like that and said, so on. He mentioned some things. So he never.
You were aware he's going to use woman parts.
Never
right?
in life. If I'm aware, I will not involve myself. At the point that when a day before he prepare everything finish, like where we come from Edo State to the Ogun State.
So when you were now aware that a day to that period, what was your own response?
That we were not aware of this.
Then after he finished it, he gave it to you and you carried it to the place, to your state. You said?
He didn't tell us that he said that it's a soap.
He just said soap. No. Yes, sir.
This is the sub. This is just this is the whole 800,000.
See, buy cow, we do this thing. So what really brought us back? We said he scam us.
We were requesting our money. That was
We're requesting for our money that he scam us.
Yeah, give to that. Okay, let me speak with him. Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
What is your name?
My name is Osoja Ali.
Look up. That's what I'm saying. What do you do for a living?
I'm engineer,
Engineer. What kind of engineer?
building engineer.
Building engineer. Okay. What brought you? How did you get to know Oluwo and what brought you to Oluwo?
It's my friend that told me that they have a friend that can do something for my business to be moving further.
So, was it now the one that is communicating or you take Oluwo's number and start communicating with him?
He's one that's communicating with Oluwa. I don't communicate with him.
So, how many times did you pay Oluwo 300K?
When I come, I pay it twice.
You paid him twice?
Yeah.
From what month to what month?
The same day, the when we just come because I was on limit. That was why I didn't pay it once.
Okay. So now explain in details. When you get to Oluwo, what are the things he has done to you or did for you?
No, he just pray for me. He said he just pray. He said that now that my business will be moved further, so I should go. So
So at what point do you know there's woman part in what Oluwo gave you?
I never aware there was a woman part. It's when police arrested us. I said that what he give us when we were requesting for our money. He now said that okay we should come. That was when police just grabbed us said that that was the reason I brought the things. I don't I brought it by myself because I want to return it. I tell you I don't need it. I need my money back.
How did they ask you to be using this thing now? What will you be using it to do?
Just to take bait.
To
Bait.
bet.
Yeah.
Okay, this is soap, right?
Yeah.
And have you used it?
Once I used it once. I told her I don't need it. It don't work because he told me if I use it now the next day I'll start getting my business will start moving. I start getting connections all the stuff.
So now what do you want the government to do for you?
I want the government to pardon me and also he scammed me. We were not aware. He never told us it.
Government can pardon me.
Because if he wasn't, we would not have ourselves.
So kí lorúkọ yín mà?
Sulaiman Rukayat.
Báwo lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí olóògbé?
Àbúrò mi gangan ni òun ló ń gbélé mi direct.
Ṣé òbí? So kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lẹ mọ̀ nípa báwo lọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe wáyé? Ìgbà wo lẹ ń wá ìgbà wo ló ṣọmọ tó ẹjúwe ẹsọ irú ẹni tí ọmọbìnrin
Iṣẹ́
jẹ́?
wo ló ń ṣe àti gbogbo téèyàn ní láti mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀?
Ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní company kan ní Ọ̀tà. Ó dẹ̀ gbé ojú ore.
Ọmọdún mélòó?
Ó gbé ìyànà.
Ọmọdún mélòó?
June yìí ló máa pé 36 years. Ó ti ju 35 years lọ. It's over 35 years.
Sílé ọkọ ló wà ní àbíkó tí ì máa rí?
Ó ti marry bọ̀ òun àtọkọ ẹ̀ ní issue. So òun àtọkọ ẹ̀ ti divorce bí 2 years ago. So wá ń gbé pẹ̀lú last born wa. Àwọn méjèèjì ẹ̀ náà jọ ń gbé ní ìyànà. Alẹ́ on the January 9 yẹn bíi tó 11 ni àbúrò rẹ̀ last born yẹn pè mí pé ṣé ó sọ nǹkan fún mi? Mo ní pé ṣé ó sọ ó dágbére pé òun lọ bìkan fún mi. Mo ní pé kò sọ nǹkan fún mi pé kò pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó wá ní àwọn jọ dé bus stop láàárọ̀ pé òun lọ sí ibi iṣẹ́. Ó wá sọ fún òun pé òun fẹ́ dín àtàn pé òun ò dẹ̀ rí kó wálé. Meanwhile ó ní ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kan tó jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìyẹn ní pé nọ́mbà yẹn pè ní àárọ̀ nìkan bíi 7 táwọn close ní night pé nọ́mbà yẹn wá sọ pé òun máa pè padà later. So nǹkan tó wá fi dé bíi 10 nọ́mbà yẹn wá pè padà. Àbúrò ẹ̀ gan confirm pé ó ń jẹun lọ́wọ́. So wá sọ fún ìyẹn pé òun bọ̀ bó ṣe fóúnjẹ tó ń jẹ sílẹ̀ tó ṣe jáde nìyẹn nìkan bíi tó 10 láàárọ̀ títí di tó 11 lálẹ́ tábúrò ẹ̀ wá pè mí. Ó wá ní pé in fact gan pé òun ló mú key dání pé òun fẹ́ wọlé òun ò rí key. Òun dẹ̀ ti jókòó bíi tó 11. Wọ́n á ní nǹkan tó mú tó fi mú tí ò drop key tí ò dẹ̀ ti wọlé by this time. Nǹkan kan ti ṣẹlẹ̀ mo ṣáà ní pé tó bá di àárọ̀. So nígbà tó dẹ̀ di àárọ̀.
Ṣé ẹ pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀ ní gbogbo ìgbà yẹn
A pe gbogbo nọ́mbà mo pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀ throughout that night switched off. Nọ́mbà ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé fóònù ẹ̀ in fact ọkọ mi gan máa sọ pé ṣé wọ́n máa ń fún àbúrò ẹ̀ ní salary ni lórí fóònù ẹ̀ ò lè off 1 minute ó máa ti wá bí tó ti máa charge. So tí mo yẹ pé ní gbogbo orin ẹ̀ fóònù ẹ̀ switched off mo ti wò pé ọkọ ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Àárọ̀ ọjọ́ yẹn wọ́n ṣáà lọ police station tó wà ní Ọ̀tà
àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì.
ní àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì. Nígbà tó ń débẹ̀ wọ́n ní pé ó di after 48 hours. A ṣáà padà sílé, a ṣáà wá káàkiri gbogbo ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀, àwa lọ ibi iṣẹ́, wọ́n ní wọn ò rí. So nígbà tó dẹ̀ di after 48 hours, a padà lọ station. Wọ́n ṣáà track number ẹ̀ náà fi wá get pé ẹni tó pè, nọ́mbà tó pè ní between 7 and that 10. Azeez, wọ́n wá lọ sí, wọ́n track number, wọ́n get address, wọ́n wá lọ bọ̀ wọ́n rí. So wọ́n wá rí eléyìí tó pe rẹ̀ ní Moses. Wọ́n ṣáà search frequent calls lórí nọ́mbà Azeez náà fi wá rí pé òun àtẹ̀ní iná jọ máa ń pè frequently. So wọ́n wá arrest eléyìí àti bọ̀dá Azeez yẹn pé táwọn bá dé station àwọn máa get ẹ̀. Láti ìgbà yẹn òun rí Azeez yẹn. So nígbà tí láti Ọ̀tà wọ́n ṣáà wá refer wa wá síbí báyìí. Ọjọ́ yẹn gan tó kó wa wá after 3 days tán kó wa wá, wọ́n sọ pé pé àwọn ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ni suspect kan máa release wọn very soon because wọ́n ti jẹ́ kí suspect go escape. Wọ́n ṣáà pè wá ní ọjọ́ kejì ní Mr. Shitu, wọ́n ṣáà pè wá pé àwọn máa release eléyìí pé because òun kọ́ ni pé
ṣé
àwọn
ẹ̀yin mọ
kan.
Azeez yẹn?
Àmọ́
ẹ ò mọ̀ bóyá ó yàn lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ kùnrin ní ọjọ́ fẹ́ra tàbí.
mi mọ̀ rí. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni ẹni tó pè ní boyfriend ẹ̀ àti ẹ̀kọ́ rò because ẹni tó pè ní boyfriend òun gan kò send ní orí Facebook ló ti bá last born wa sọ̀rọ̀. Ìyẹn dẹ̀ sọ fún pé kó send the phone number ẹ̀. Ever since that time bóyá like after 1 week ìyẹn ò send the phone number. Ìyẹn tí wá delete gbogbo àwọn pictures tó wà lórí Facebook, ó delete ẹ̀. Àwa wá ń suspect pé bóyá òun ló ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So nígbà tó wá ní wọ́n fẹ́ release àwọn ilé, a ní pé wọ́n release àjà pé nǹkan tó ń boyfriend ẹ̀ tó fi ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe, pé ní láti jẹ́ pé boyfriend ẹ̀ ló ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn fún. So ọjọ́ Thursday kan bóyá on the 16th, January 16. So àwọn ọlọ́pàá lọ́wọ́ náà fẹ́ lọ check ilé àwọn Moses yìí pé táwọn bá ti check ilé pé after that àwọn máa release ẹ̀. So ilé ẹ̀tàn lọ check lọ́jọ́ yẹn náà ti wá rí, because èmi náà tẹ̀lé wọn lọ, wọ́n ti wá rí àwọn kankan tó wà suspicious. Wọ́n rí irú àwọn kòkò báyìí náà náà rí ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣáà ń béèrè lọ pé kí ló fi kòkò ṣe. Ó ṣáà ní pé àwọn olóyún lòun máa ń ṣàgbo fún o, pé babaláwo agbọmọlà lòun, pé àwọn olóyún lòun máa ń ṣàgbo fún. Ó wá ní kọ́nà kan nínú ilé ẹ̀ náà because a jọ ń ṣàṣìgbò ní. Ó wá ní kọ́nà kan bá ṣe fẹ́ lọ bẹ̀ ni Mr. Shitu wá ní pé kí n dúró, pé kí n má wà, pé bọ̀ tó máa ní àwọn ibì kan nílé àwọn babaláwo yẹn tó pé obìnrin ò lè wọbẹ̀, pé bọ̀ wọn ò ní sọ fún yàn pé kí n dúró kí n má wà. So bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti wá rí àwọn nǹkan míì ń bẹ̀. So wọ́n wá ní pé after yẹn wọ́n wá nígbà tí wọ́n padà dé wọ́n wá sọ fún pé ó máa jẹ́wọ́ pé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan táwọn rí nílẹ̀ yẹn pé mind àwọn ò sọ fáwọn pé ó wà innocent.
ṣé báàgì
ẹ̀ wà
àbúrò yín
níbẹ̀.
wà nínú àwọn báàgì
Òun ni black bag tó nírun lórí
báàgì
yẹn.
dúdú tó ní irun lórí ẹ̀?
Báàgì ẹ̀ ní tèmi àti ẹ̀ fi ìtajọ snap níbí báyìí last year September October ṣá tèmi àti ìta ríra last. Fọ́tò yẹn náà ní báàgì yẹn náà ló fi.
Irú ọmọ wo ni ẹ lè sọ pé àbúrò yín yẹn jẹ́?
Nǹkan tí mo kọ̀ rí pé ó affect ẹ̀ ní kó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ò kí ń open up, kó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ò kí ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ó dínú gan because ká ní kò ṣe pé èèyàn tó dínú ni bó ṣe ń lọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn òun àti àbúrò ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ń gbé, yẹ kó jẹ́ káàbúrò ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé èèyàn báyìí ló pè mí. Tó bá yẹ pé hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì náà ló ń gbé ẹ lọ, ẹni báyìí ó máa pè mí, ọ̀dẹ̀ eléyìí ó máa ní kí n wá bóun ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì, ẹni hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì báyìí ló ní kí n ti wá bóun. Wàá dẹ̀ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ò sọ anything fábúrò, ò sọ kọ́kọ́, ó dẹ̀ sọ fún yẹn pé òun bọ̀. Thank God for tracking number yẹn, àbá má get anything because mo mọ̀ pé Azeez yẹn gbòǹgbò kò lè believe wọ́n lè róhun track. A máa wọ̀ pé since wọ́n wà.
Kí ni ipò tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí, kí ni ipò tó ti mú bá ìdílé?
Mọ́mì ẹ̀ gbogbo náà ni ó affect but màmá ẹ̀ gangan because àwọn gan náà wọn strong tẹ́lẹ̀ náà, wọn strong ara wọn fi bẹ́ẹ̀ strong ara wọn jà. But ilé náà tó tún wá ṣẹlẹ̀ a ṣáà ń try best wọn because àwa sì lè hold wa. Àwọn people yìí kọ́ máa lọ lásán, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ ń bẹ̀ yẹn irọ́ ló ń pa. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ bíi mẹ́ta thank God pé orí fóònù wọ́n rí gbogbo àwọn voice message tóun àtàwọn people yẹn jọ ń sọ. Ó wá dé báyìí ń sọ another thing. Irọ́ náà ń pa, kán jọ kán gbà wá léèyàn kankan. And thank God to this police here, Mr. Shitu and that other man, they really tried for us. They tried for us but this thing is not enough. They should please kán jọ kán má jẹ́ kí ìyà yìí jẹ wá gbé, kán jọ.
What is your name?
My name is Victor Yaro.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
28.
Yes,
You are from which state?
I'm from Plateau State.
Plateau State.
Yes,
What work do you do for a living? What's your occupation?
I do farm work.
Farm work.
Yes,
Where do you live presently?
for Abowe,
Above where you?
Konikwa Street.
What you bring you call Elewe right now?
For that Ago,
Wetin bring
I did my working place. So this is my papa brother be this one.
Okay.
So as before he call me, he don't dey Ibadan. He don't dey Ibadan. He tell me say he don't dey Ibadan. I can't tell her, I can't ask her for phone say wetin they do for Ibadan.
Okay.
He can't tell me say he get small issue wey happen for Ibadan for our village. So if he can't reach where I dey, he go explain for me. Yeah, I can't ask her say make you wait, make I make call for village before I go tell her the location where I dey for Jebode.
Okay.
I can't try to call village. I can't try to call village. Village number no go. So I see evening they can't do. I can't call am. Now he still call me. As he still call me, I tell am say okay. I tell her where I dey, can't enter motor come. I can't try to ask her wetin happen for village before he leave village. So he no even tell me. As he no tell me, I say make I try to make call for village, make I know wetin happen. As he no even tell me the
So
truth.
later wetin come tell you? How you come tell meet each other because of time?
Because of time, I see I don't do. So when he call me, I tell am say make he dey come. I tell am the location where I dey. So in the morning, I come dey try make I call village. So I no get them for village. The number I no go. So I come call one of my brother for Abuja. That on Sunday evening, I come call one of my brother for Abuja. So that my brother come tell me say I kidnap them, go kidnap. Oh. So
Kidnap.
he tell me say they kidnap Reverend Father.
Hey.
So that my brother tell me like this, I come back for where I come out
Where
go
they kidnap Reverend Father for which state?
for Plateau State.
Hey. How many Reverend Father they kidnap?
That my brother as he tell me say they kidnap Reverend Father. So me I no come ask him. I can't cut the call because of as I hear the thing surprise me. I surprised. So I can't cut the call. I come back for where I go. I come meet am for house. As I come meet am for house, I come tell am say you do bad thing. You want make they come catch me. I no want problem. Oh. Better make you leave my house. Make you leave my house. I pursue am for my house. So at the thing say you don't go. You comot go for my working place. Me I no know because of night don't do that on Sunday. That on Sunday night don't do. So on Monday morning, we come go farm for where we dey work. Me and people wey we dey work together. We come go there. As we go there, I come see am. As I come see am, I come dey pursue am say I don pursue you for house. Wetin carry you come back again? Go my farm again. Na that time as I dey pursue him, I dey pursue him, I dey use my hand push him make he dey go. I no want problem.
How police come catch you now?
So as I dey pursue him make he dey go, I no want problem. Na that time as I dey pursue him like this, police come.
Police come.
Yes.
So when did you come to reach police now? Since when you don dey police station?
On Monday.
On Monday. Your family know say you dey here?
No. My family no know.
How old is he?
Wait on. 52 years.
What is his name? Tell me his name.
Christopher Yaro.
Christopher Yaro. Oh yeah, why you kidnap that grandfather now? Why? Isn't that you let grandfather saying kidnap? Why you kidnap? Yeah, let him tell you. Tell him, make you tell him.
Me anki kaya aki na Reverend Father kwa.
Diyar ga lakus bani shine jiya na wato alakuchon ne la ne bayin suna da ma daga sila ne sanya to kuma ba ya tinana. To ina ga su shati tin da daga to ai ko in kala yana na.
Okay. He say they kidnap, he no dey inside, but na person
call him name for inside that people wey dem go kidnap. So as they come hold them, they tie them. So they carry them go vigilante office. As they go vigilante office, they come put only him one for inside one room. They put 3 people for inside one room. So as they come okay, he say as he talk truth, that's why they release her for inside that place.
They release her. Why police come pursue am again? Yeah, ask am.
Why you come run away?
Okay.
If they release am for vigilante, why you come run away? They're going. Okay, don't worry.
ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.